good, bro? What's up? There's a trick that I invented in 2007 that everybody still does today. And I actually won a best trick contest by keeping it a secret until the day of the comp. And the day of the comp, I not only showcased the trick, but I comboed the trick. In my third attempt for best trick, ended up taking home the win. Now the trick that I do, that I invented, that everybody could do now, it's such a fun trick, is this one. It's called a front slider. Basically, you're sliding on your front wheel and you're using the minimal weight that you put on your back wheel and you're steering with your front wheel, hoping that the surface is slick enough to do that. If you're on concrete or something that's not waxed, it's a little harder. But what I try to do is I never go in the middle of the manual pad because it's always dry, there's never any wax. But if you look on the edge, like right on the side where you grind, that's all black, it's like the perfect spot to do it. You're always disappointing me in my videos. I'm joking. What's good, bro? How you doing?
I watch your YouTube.
Oh, thank you, bro. Now, for those wondering, I'm actually going to play the clip right here. Check this out. Basically, I'm known for just landing something on the last try, and usually in competitions you have 3 tries. And back in the day I used to compete more just because there were more competitions, and now there aren't too many. And if there are, since I've migrated my discipline more toward flat and tech riding, I feel like it'd be very hard for me to even keep up or even just complete a run with the skate parks that they build now for competitions, which are massive. But it's so impressive watching them ride. Oh. As I said, I'm known for landing the trick that I'm trying for best trick on the last try. And there was another competition in the same exact park 3 or 4 years later, and I learned a brand new trick on my 3rd try. I'm gonna try to find the footage and put it here.
Walking in the hand 10. Hop on that.
Even making it on the 3rd try in that competition, I didn't win. Coda, damn Coda. He won with a double flare. He landed a first shot, double flare, and took the win. But either way, I was hyped to land my trick and to have it on film. At the end of the day, I like rewatching those moments and reliving those moments. I would love to. Hopefully we can get some more competitions going, maybe a flat comp. It'd be nice to get a flat competition since most of my riding is dedicated toward flat riding. Can I clap now?
See, better?
You'll never think of creative tricks when you're just going full speed in the skate park. When you're stopping, you're taking it easy. There's a trick that I just thought of just now, and I don't know how hard it would be, but to firecracker down the stairs and then to lock into a nose manual. Like just right at the end, drop nose manual, try to hold it to the end of the curb. Woo. My fiance is the one who pointed out that I should make some videos where I bring up some history. If you guys have any questions on my story when I was riding, growing up, things I went through, leave a comment below and I'll see if I can bring it up in a video every so often. I also want to really expand the hashtag that we use on Instagram, which is my name. And I want that to be used for anybody who's just posting flat clips. Anything inspirational or has to do with flat land, flat ground. If you post something and you use that hashtag, I'll repost it 100%. I see it better, I can see your clips better, and I also just want more people riding flat, so let's use that as some motivation. But either way, I am actually wrapping it up. I'm gonna be riding flat the blacktop with no camera, just trying to figure out some new tricks, work on a trick that I was doing the other day that landed sketchy, that was in the video, that I want to land better. And I want to kind of check off this trick list that I have, where a bunch of my tricks that I do, there's some weak tricks, and I want to just cross those out and just get those better, and that way the next session I can really evolve with my weak tricks and my good tricks and try to put them together and make magnificent tricks. Let me know if you want me to bring some pieces of history into these videos. Pretty good idea from the fiance, my better half. I don't mind that, and I have plenty of footage. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.